How to get rid of hiccups. Hiccups seem to start and stop for no obvious reason. There are several methods you can try to get rid of hiccups. Here are some commonly recommended techniques. Breathe in slowly for a count of 5, and then breathe out for a count of 5. Hold your breath. Take a large gulp of air and hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds. Then breathe out slowly. Repeat as necessary. Breathe into a paper bag. Never use a plastic bag. Hug your knees. Compress your chest. Pop your ears. Try to exhale with your mouth closed while pinching your nose.